Are you tired of losing track of support tickets because their status never gets updated? Learn to change any ticket status to open, pending, or solved in under 20 seconds. We'll navigate to the homepage, open the ticket, find the status dropdown, choose the right status, and submit. It's that simple. Let's navigate to the homepage. Then, open the ticket whose status you want to update by clicking on it. Now, click the drop-down icon at the lower right corner to open up the status field. From there, choose a new status: Open, In Progress, Pending, or Solved. Finally, click Submit to save the changes, and that's all you need to do. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.